Before you buy your new Samsung washer and dryer, you'll want to make sure they'll fit into your current laundry space and with your current connections. Prior to purchase, check to confirm if your dryer requires gas or electricity. For gas dryers, you'll need a natural gas shutoff valve with a metal connection directly behind the appliance, and a gas flex connection kit. For electric dryers, you must have a 240-volt outlet in your home, and you will need to purchase a special 3 or 4-pronged electric cord to connect the dryer to the outlet. Taking accurate measurements of your hookup location before your purchase can help to ensure a quick and trouble-free delivery and installation. To get started, measure the height, width, and depth of the space where your washer and dryer will be installed. When you are calculating height, measure from the floor to the bottom of any overhead cabinet or shelves, if applicable. If you are purchasing a top-load washer, make sure you leave room for at least 20 inches above the machine to allow the lid to fully open. For front-load washers and dryers and for top-load dryers, you will need additional depth in your space to allow for the machine's doors to fully open. Check with your retailer or Samsung.com to understand the depth of these machines with the doors fully open. If installing front-load washers and dryers with pedestals, be sure to include the pedestals in your height measurement. Most measure about 14 inches. Pedestals elevate the washer and dryer for easier reach inside the basket and contain storage space for laundry supplies. In your measurements, always include the extra space in your laundry area that may be taken up by floor and wall moldings and entrance and exit doors. For proper ventilation and plumbing, most models will need the following allowances: 1 inch of space on both sides of the appliances and 6 inches of space behind them. Subtract these measurements from your overall laundry space measurements. Doing so will allow you to calculate the true maximum dimensions available for your new appliances. You will also need to make sure the floor of your hookup location is level. If your laundry space is limited, consider purchasing a stacking kit so you can mount your stackable front-load washers and dryers vertically. To ensure successful delivery and setup of your new appliances to the hookup location, start with the unloading zone and walk the delivery path, removing any potential obstacles beforehand. Measure doorways, hallways, and stairways to ensure they are wide enough to accommodate your appliances based on your measurements. If a doorway is too narrow or cannot be opened fully, remove the doors and hinges. Also, consider removing handrails to narrow staircases. Don't forget to measure any stair landings, as it takes extra clearance to turn corners. Properly measuring your spaces before delivery may save you from any potential complications and ensure that you get to keep those new appliances you're so excited about.